Here it comes.
Okay, Catherine.
Oh, shit! Move!
Did it bite you?
Yeah, it did.
It bit you?
Let me have some more food. Oh, here. I found one.
Move!
Ouch.
Move! Then move out this way!
Let's give it a name. Priscilla. Hi, Priscilla.
Queen of the desert? What?
Move on! No!
Yes, yes, yes.
No, move on! Move on!
Oh, look, here comes another.
Here comes the other one.
No, don't!
Yeah, don't show favorites. You have to let both of them. Look at that one smiling at you. That is so cute. Oh, you have to feed
I don't have any more food. Let me have some more.
Yeah,
No! I don't want the ostrich!
Okay.
Go, go, go!
it. Okay, wait. Don't. Hold on just a sec. Don't go yet.
Okay, I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
No,
Okay, now.
I don't like the ostrich!